Hello everyone, this is Crazy Brothers. In today's video, we're gonna look at the recent launch of the most excited mobile OnePlus 8 series. We will look into the specs of OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro and how does this OnePlus 8 series stands out from the other mobile in the market. Whether it is a best flagship killer, let us see. And guys, if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification. So without any further ado, let's get started. First we will see about the OnePlus 8. The screen of the OnePlus 8 is 6.55 inches and display type is Fluid AMOLED 90Hz display. Fluid AMOLED always have an advantage of having higher refreshing rate comparing to the usual dynamic display. This makes smoother animation across the board and it refreshes more quickly than the usual display. You can scroll, swipe and navigate with ease. For scratch resistant, the cover glass is 3D Corning Gorilla Glass and the OnePlus 8 are made with slim and sleek curved design which feels great in hand. This display feature has a reading mode, night mode and also vibrant color effect. OnePlus 8 has launched in 3 color variant: Glacier Green, Interstellar Glow and Black. This OnePlus 8 series has taken a further step in performance by delivering the powerful 5G chipset with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and GPU of Adreno 650. This Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor scales to 5G which reaches peak performance and it is said that it will deliver up to 25% of faster performance than the previous generation. In previous version of OnePlus 7, that is in OnePlus 7T Pro, the processor was Snapdragon 855. So with comparing to OnePlus 7T Pro, this OnePlus 8 will have brilliant experience in photography, gaming and voice interactions. And OS, it's Oxygen OS Android 10 and RAM it comes with 8GB with 256GB variant. When it comes to battery, it's 4300 mAh with fast charge of 30T fast charging. So your mobile will get charged from 1% to 50% in just 22 minutes. OnePlus always delivers a good camera experience in all its variant. In that way, OnePlus 8 has 3 rear camera. The main camera with 48 megapixels and sensor with Sony IMX586, which delivers high sensitive and high resolution in photos. And the second camera with 2 megapixel macro lens and third camera with 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. It has a field view of 116 degrees which helps to capture landscape and group photos. It also have a dual LED flash. Let's talk about the video quality with the rear cameras. It has a 4K video support at 30/60 fps. FPS is nothing but frame per second, which refers to the speed at which camera can capture the photos. It also have a slow motion video capture at 1080 pixel video with 240 fps and 720 pixel at 80 fps. The secondary camera comes with 16 megapixel and this too with sensor of Sony IMX471. And let's talk about the video quality of secondary camera. You can shoot 1080 pixel video at 30 fps. This also supports a slow motion. It has face unlock feature, HDR and screen flash, and it also have a in-display fingerprint sensor and also NFC. NFC is nothing but a wireless connection that enables the exchange of data between devices over about 10 cm distance. In box we will be having OnePlus 8 device, a WrapCharge 30 power adapter, a Type-C cable support, a quick start guide, a welcome letter from OnePlus, a safety information warranty card and also SIM tray ejector. Okay, let's talk about the OnePlus 8 Pro now. The display is same as what we saw for OnePlus 8, but the difference is the screen size. The screen size of OnePlus 8 Pro is actually 6.78 inches and the display type is Fluid AMOLED with 120Hz display. For cover glass, it's 3D Corning Gorilla Glass. It has adaptive display, motion graphics, reading mode, night mode and vibrant color effect Pro. OnePlus 8 Pro also comes with 3 color variant: classical green, ultramarine blue and black. When we talk about the performance, it's same as OnePlus 8. The OS is Oxygen based Android 10 and CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 5G chipset and GPU is Adreno 650. Here the difference is RAM. In OnePlus 8 Pro, the RAM comes with 8GB with 256GB variant, which is comparatively high than OnePlus 8. Battery is slightly different when comparing to the OnePlus 8. The battery is 4510 mAh with Rapture 30T fast charging, and this OnePlus 8 Pro supports 30 volts wireless charging. With wireless you can charge your mobile from 1% to 50% in just 30 minutes. And the best part of OnePlus 8 Pro is its camera features. It has 4 stunning rear cameras. The main camera is 48 megapixel with sensor of Sony IMX689. The second camera has a 8 megapixel with hybrid zoom lens. The third camera with 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with a field view of 120 degrees, and a fourth camera it comes with 5 megapixel color filter lens. It also have a dual LED flash. With this 4 rear camera you can shoot videos like a pro. Let's talk about the video quality. It has a 4K video support at 30x60 fps and it also has a slow motion video capture at 1080 pixel video with 240 fps and 720 pixel at 80 fps. The secondary camera comes with 16 megapixel with sensor of Sony IMX471. The video quality of secondary camera, you can shoot videos at 1080 pixel video with 30 fps. It also has face unlock, HDR, screen flash and also in-display fingerprint sensor with NFC enabled. Gesture and on-screen navigation support, auto slider and flicker detection sensor too. In box we will get OnePlus 8 Pro device, a Rapture 30 power adapter, a Type-C cable support, a quick start guide and a welcome letter from OnePlus, safety information and warranty card and also SIM tray ejector. Let's see the price difference and overall view of the OnePlus 8 series. OnePlus 8 price ranges of Rs 44,999 and OnePlus Pro cost Rs 54,999. Overall, both the flagship mobile has a stunning future with greater 5G processor and a brilliant camera quality. That too in OnePlus 8 Pro, it was too good. There was a lag in the design of main camera for both the mobile, which looks a usual OnePlus model when compared to the OnePlus 7T Pro. Though there was market down in this lockdown period, OnePlus has not failed to deliver the best in quality to prove the flagship mobile. Let us know your comment too guys about the flagship mobiles in the comment section. So that's all for today. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe us if you are new to our channel and kindly share the video if you are an existing user. Stay home, stay safe.